I'm also seeing there are some small sculptures there.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Every size. Even wish to do very big arts anytime.
Right? Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is great stuff.
Some from our local stones. Like the white one is our very local stone.
If someone says, I want a different creation, maybe different from this one, you can actually create it for them, right?
Yeah, very well.
Yeah, this is good work. I'm so happy that you are doing something here around the Domboshava Rock Cave.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah, chimbotiudzai more about business kuti kana tichiona mufananidzo wakadai so unenge uchirevei and something.
Alright. Ngotanga ne brief background.
Yeah.
By name Fair Makunde.
Okay.
Son of Rangarai Makunde. The one who used to work at Logan Airport Road.
Okay.
That's where pane Tsindi Lodge. Ndoko akatanga kushandira ipapo. From there achizobva ipapo achiuya panapa created this gallery nokuzokurawo kuzopedza chikoro, then we fell in love with art. From there tanga kuzoita art focusing on creations like this one. What my creations are abstracts siyana mostly ngachinenge ya contemporary. Like here, as you were saying, I am my kissing lovers. But there will be another title like this one. I will be calling them counting stars. Like people, those who are making a wish, holding one another's hand. As you can see, they are looking upwards, but still holding one another.
Wow.
They are making love.
Yes.
As you can see.
This is so creative. Come here.
The inspiration was because of where we work here, you know, by the mountain hikes. A lot of lovers, they come pass by. Mostly couples.
Okay.
So yeah, sort of what we see mostly and what we feel about people. Those that is the side of art. Communication.
Okay. So you do this much for lovers.
Mainly.
That's good. Okay. So let's look around some of the creations that
this one is the mother and child abstract, and the stone, spring stone. We found it. That is Mvurwi. From here going by Mazoe Road.
All right.
It's around 180 kilometers.
Wow, that's amazing. So you sell these ones as well?
Yeah, sure.
So if I'm interested, or someone watching us from there is interested to get one, how do you do it? How much do you sell the art for?
Okay. For this one, it will be going for 150.
150. Or just 150 US dollars. So I will definitely put your contact details down there. So if you are watching, see the contact details that are on your screen right now. So you just contact them so that you can actually book anything that you have found. So let's move around so that people can actually see some of the things that you are creating, right?
Sure. Yeah, as well, like these ones are creative pieces where we sit down and communicate very deeply with the stone, so that the stone will speak back to us like you need to remove this part and leave this part so that I will remain like this one. Yeah.
Okay.
As you can see,
amazing creativity.
Like that one, the bigger over there, less work was done there, but it gives us a very big picture of a lady that is calling sunbathing, someone who's enjoying the sun.
Right.
The stone green opal, found it at Chueshe.
All right.
Chueshe is around 170 kilometers again from the area.
So if someone says, I want a different creation, maybe different from this one, you can actually create it for them, right?
Yeah, very well.
I come with say I want you to create ABC for me. This is the idea behind. You bring it into reality.
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Wow.
Maybe someone can bring a photo or briefly talking about the idea, how he wants his piece or whatever he is asking for us to do. Then we sit down and have a picture or meditate on the picture or whatever he is talking about or speaking about. Then we have a conclusion and ask him, what about this one, about the solution A, B, C, or D. Then we have something that is very conclusive all around.
Amazing. That's amazing. I'm also seeing there are some small sculptures there.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Every size, even wish to do very big arts anytime.
Right? Oh, this one. Yeah. This is great stuff.
Some from our local stones, like the white one is our very local stone.
From local stone?
The local stone is the white one, around 8 kilometers from this area.
Okay.
That is the only stone that is very close to us.
So what do you get them for?
The area is if you know where Chinamora police station is, that is where we found the stone, the white one. We call it white opal, and some they call it white sepolite. The sepolite one is like this one on the top surface of the mountain where we found these white ones. So by then they say this color the stone have changed to this color because of the years and years whereby weathering or climate conditions, the stone was being hit by the sun. So it changes color to this one. So they call it sepolite, and this one is white opal.
Right, guys, it's now time that we have to celebrate the Africans that are doing great things, the talented people. You see, in Africa, with people who are talented, it's only that you don't know or you haven't encountered people like that. Because look, guys, you can't just create this from nowhere. It really needs you to be at the higher standards of creativity. So, you deserve a handshake. This is amazing. Yeah, what you're doing is actually so good. So, yeah, everyone watching us from here, make sure that you contact it's Mr.
Makunde, Fair Makunde.
Fair Makunde, right?
Fair.
Wow, that's cool. So if someone want to follow you on social media, do you have some socials or they can actually contact you?
Actually, now I can say I don't have any social medias that I'm doing my work on.
Okay.
Yeah, only because with age and money, this type of work needs a lot of capital.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
With the little man that I have, when I create something in small size, there's a tendency of other people who have the money or the capital, the capacity. They will just follow the youngsters mainly and snatch their art and make it on a very bigger sculpture.
Yes, they can steal your stuff.
They steal your stuff and steal your brains. By the time when you mature, you're trying to enlarge those pieces that you've once done as a collective work of yours. You find out later the reports are saying you are the one who copied the piece, and you never know where it coming from because of the copyings and everything. So I choose not to publish my work now, but later or soon I will be
publishing.
Yeah, sure, I'll publish on social media or different pages.
That's fine. Definitely, you guys, this is the stuff. So make sure that you place your orders. You make sure you book. This is amazing. This is so now. Right now, we are moving forward. We're going to show you the Domboshava Cave so that you can see them by yourself. For now.